Hey traders, what's up? What's going on, everyone? Welcome to our midweek forex analysis. So today what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be going through the video that I give you guys on Sunday. So we're gonna do the before and after, so you can see it for yourself if our system is on point. So far, last week, the very first week of November, we nailed it. 100%. So I don't know this week what it's gonna be about, so you are gonna be seeing it with me. Once again, guys, this is just a follow-up of our midweek forex outlook for the week of November 8th to the 12th. So tomorrow is a holiday, so happy holiday to everyone. So let's get to work. Let's see what the market is doing this week so far. So on Sunday, I did give you guys AUD USD. Look at how beautiful our system works, guys. Multiple time frame is what you need in your platform. So pretty much what I say on Sunday was very straightforward. What I was seeing here on Sunday was the multiple time frame was here. Our white multiple time frame arrow was there as well. Our TWE sniper entry was also in here. So what happened was that all I saw here on Sunday was the market was only coming in one direction, and that it is a bearish position. But on Sunday, I saw the market was trying to give us a reversal here. So remember, the trend here is bearish. So the market was trying to give us a reversal. All I had to say, guys, the market is gonna come back and retest previous multiple time frame red and green arrow in this area. Look at what happened. Look at the drawing. Boom, it came right where I told you. What happened from there? I knew the market was selling, so I knew the market was gonna continue from there selling down. So I didn't even do anything else. Or I just told you market was gonna be straight up selling, and boom, market is doing exactly, guys, exactly what I told you guys on the Sunday video. So far this is a perfect setup, guys. Perfect. Let me know, guys, if you guys have any question. And before I do move on, it's very important for you to know, guys, is the following. Please, guys, remember, I'm not your financial advisor, nothing like that. So if you need help, please let me know. I can help you how to trade with rules and so on. Most importantly, guys, do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose. This business is very risky, but you must know exactly what you need to know to do. So if you need help, let me know so I can help you out. Or if you want to join us, you are more than welcome to do it, guys. Become a member. The link is in the description of this video and so on, so we can go ahead and do a better thing in the world. So far, guys, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Fair enough? All right, so let me go ahead and move on to the next pair of the day. The next pair that I have for everyone here today, it is USD Canadian. Did anyone here trade USD Canadian? Anyone? All right, so USD Canadian, this is exactly what I told you. Look at how the system works, guys. I'm super excited here. So far, I gave you one pair. The first one, the AUD USD, worked out pretty good. Look at the difference here. Multiple time frame pop in again. Our weekly time frame white arrow also pop in again. Our green arrow multiple time frame continuation of the bullish position came in again. Our TWE sniper entry also come in again. So this is what I told you guys on Sunday. I say, guys, the market here still has potential. Let me grab the right arrow. The market still has potential to come back and retest your what? Retest your previous 38.2 Fibonacci level. Boom, it got hit. What happened from there, guys? What happened from there? What did I say? I said market was gonna come back and retest previous multiple time frame red arrow here, which is your 23.6 Fibonacci level. Look at what happened. It came a little bit lower to this low here, which is fine. Then from there, what happened? What did I say? I said market was gonna continue up because all this evidence here is bullish. So right now, USD Canadian, it is bullish. So the system is perfectly fine. So I already gave you 1, 2 pairs. Those 2 pairs are on point. So any question, guys? What do you guys have any question here? Because guys, I get super, to be honest, super excited to teach you all about forex and so on. You can guys find us on and guys, don't forget to subscribe, please. Don't forget to subscribe, it's free. I'm giving you here some knowledge. So the next pair that I gave you guys was Euro GBP. What did I say on Euro GBP? Look at how the system works, guys. The system is a miracle. If you guys don't have multiple time frame and you guys want to grab it, here it is, guys. The link is in the description of this video. You can join us, become a member. If you cannot afford the multiple time frame, you can join the YouTube Gold membership. That will give you an access to our classes and so on, so you can see if multiple time frame it is for you. So the link is in the description, so you will not regret it. What did I say on Sunday, guys? I said market here is strictly bullish. Our TW sniper entry is bullish. So what happened was, I knew the market was bullish, right? All this data you see here now did not exist. So it did not exist. So now it's there. You know, the analysis that I gave you guys is there. But on Sunday, I say, guys, market still has potential to go where? To go bullish, because the market here is bullish. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard is also bullish. Everything is bullish. So market told you market was gonna come back and retest your 78.2 Fibonacci line. Perfect hit. What did I say from there? I said, guys, market is gonna do a small pullback, retesting your 61 Fibonacci line, which it came to your 50 Fibonacci line, which is fine. And then what did I say? Market from here was gonna be bullish. Why? Because our trend here still in a buy position. Is not, listen to me, it's not selling. Euro GBP, it is bullish at this present time. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense to you. All right, any question, guys? Do you guys have any question? Just a quick reminder, guys, I think it's very important for you. Just a quick reminder, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. Please do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose. If you need help and you want me to teach you how to trade, you are more than welcome. You can join us. Send me a private message. All the links is on the description of this video, so I can see how I can help you out, so we all can earn hundreds and hundreds and what? And hundreds of pips. Let's go. All right, so moving on, guys. I also gave you gold. Look at what I say on gold, guys. This is very important, very important. A lot of you guys will say, Irvin, what's going on with gold? Well, let's do it together. Let's do it together. Pay close attention in here. Look at here. Multiple time frame is here. It's telling us what? It's telling us the market is bullish. Then what happened in here, guys? TWE sniper entry also told us that we still in what? We still in a buy position. What did I say on Sunday, guys? What did I say on Sunday? Remember, market here is clearly bullish, 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 bullish. So our multiple time frame real time was going in continuation of the buy position on Sunday. It was not selling. So what did I say on Sunday? I draw a level here saying, okay, guys, market's still gonna go bullish, because there was no evidence whatsoever the market was gonna be in a sell position. So I say, guys, market's still gonna push up on Sunday or Monday, still bullish. From there, market was gonna do a small retracement. I thought market was gonna come back and retest your 38 to your 50 Fibonacci line. It came only to your 38.2 Fibonacci. Then from there, I said the market was gonna be in a buy position, guys. That simply here, the only evidence we have is look at the dashboard. everything is telling you we are in a buy position, guys. I'm trading USD 30. Oh my god, USD 30 is on fire, guys. I'm telling you, it is on fire. It's paying super good. I'm loving it. It's very lovely. I'm banking very heavy. I sent a picture to the group early, letting them know that I'm trading that pair and I'm still making tons of pips. All right, so far gold has worked on our favor, guys. There was one trader that I forgot. Before I do forgot, let me see if I can get. I think I took a screenshot. That trader was Hustle and Motivated TV. Say, what about GBP JPY and GBP USD? All right, so I respond back saying that I was gonna add those two pairs on my next weekly analysis, which is fine. So I will go ahead and do that. I will remove two of the one that I'm giving you today, and I'm gonna add GBP JPY and GBP USD. If you guys want me to add any pair for our weekly analysis, please let me know, and I will be more than happy to do it for you, because I'm doing this from the bottom of my heart. Okay. All right, the next pair that I gave everyone, I think that's all I gave you guys. But look at here, guys. This is this is lovely, guys. I gave you this week 1, 2, 3, 4 beautiful pair. All those pair, guys, are on point. Everything I told you here, it is on point. So super excited to let you know that everything that I told you guys here has worked on our favor. I don't think I did give you GBP JPY. I really don't remember doing that, but in case I didn't give it to you, anyway, this is what I said. I said the market was going to be in a bearish position and it's selling. All right, so here it is, Hustle and Motivated TV. I don't think I did give you this pair here, but I said market was gonna retrace back down and then was gonna make a small pullback, retesting your 50 to your 30th Fibonacci line. Market came and retested your 50, and then from there market was gonna be in a sell position. So far it's doing it. Why? Because multiple time frame is here, our multiple time frame white arrows here, our blue multiple time frame is here, our TW sniper interest is selling here, our dashboard is selling. So the market is selling. Pure. Look at the continuation of this beautiful sell position. Sell. And what is the market doing? This is specifically for Hustle and Motivated TV. He's the one who commented, and shout out to you. Look at here. Here's another continuation of that sell. So the market here on GBP JPY, it is only selling. That's all it's doing, guys. It's not doing anything else. So far this week, guys, this is the second week of our of November, and we are so far nailing it. So far, guys, this is it. The second week. Even if we lose 1 week of this coming month, we're still gonna be gaining the month of November, so it's a damn pretty good. Guys, you guys can find us on our website. Become a member if you want. And today, what are we doing today, guys? What are we doing today is the following. We're doing a follow-up midweek forex outlook for the week of November 8th to the 12th, trading multiple time frame with our website twdforexsystem.com. So I gave you over 780 blow pips this week. So stop paying for signal, guys. Start wasting your money. Learn how to trade. Grab our multiple time frame if you need help, but stop wasting your money in stupid signals. Stupid signals don't work.